Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off auto-generated videos in Grok Imagine. So let's dive in. First off, you want to make sure that you're logged in to your account and then go to Imagine. And isn't it that whenever you upload an image, let's go ahead and try that. Grok will automatically generate this into a video, and you don't want that, right? So here's how you can avoid this or prevent this. So go back, click on the icon at the upper left of the screen, this one. Then from here, you want to click on your profile at the bottom, and then scroll down at the very bottom. And then from here, you should see the option called automatically generate videos for uploaded images. All you have to do is just turn this off. So simply click that. And now every image you upload should just be an image. So let me show you right here. As you can see, it's not generating this into a video. It even has the option to make this into a video. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off auto-generate videos in Grok Imagine. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.